Good morning students, we will continue our chapter 5th algebraic expression and special product. Today we will discuss the division, the dividing polynomial by polynomial, how to do. In division, firstly see, we already studied about the exponent. It means if any power we are doing the division. If the base same but we are taking in division, then how to solve it? It means it become x power m upon x power n, that is m minus n. If the base is same and power in division, power will be subtracted. It means we write down x power m upon x power n is equal to x power m minus n. Now see example. Suppose I take monomial 35x square y square divided by 7x square y or 7xy. Monomial divided by monomial. Then how to solve it? Same thing. Firstly we solve this constant part. Then you can write down x power. Here 2, here is nothing, it means 1, this is also 1. X power 2 or x power 1, it means 2 minus 1. Y power also 2 minus 1. Then this becomes minus 5xy. This is our answer. Another problem, see. Suppose I take minus 35abc divided by 5 a power 2 b. Always see which side power is greater. So try to shift that side. If in numerator power is greater, then denominator shift into the numerator. Or if denominator power is greater, then try to shift downside. Same thing. Firstly I can write down 35 upon 5 multiply a upon a square into b upon b into c. This type we can write down. See now 5 sevens are 75 minus 7 multiply. I already say that try to see the power. This side is greater, it means I can write down downside. 2 minus 1 multiply b to b cancel, means both powers 1 into c. So it becomes minus 7c divided by a. This is our answer. This is the division of monomial by monomial. Now see, if polynomial is given to you, simple thing, suppose it is given to you 2x by 7 divided by x. So 2x square by 7 divided by x. Polynomial divided by monomial, one term. Then how to solve? We will do separate it. 2x square upon x plus 7 upon x. See, now nothing is there. 2 by 1 2, x power 1 if you take upside, then it becomes 2 minus 1 only constant, then your answer becomes 2x plus 7 upon x. This is our answer. So how to solve the binomial by monomial. Okay, see another examples. Suppose it is given to you 3x square minus x divided by minus x. Write down firstly 3x square minus x divided by x is equal to, do separate 3x square divided by minus x, here minus x divided by minus x, minus 3 x square, this is x power 1, it means x power 2 minus 1. Here see minus minus plus, x to x cancel, it means 1. Then answer is minus 3x plus 1. This C, I write down this minus x as it is and this one minus x. Then minus minus plus here. See another example. Suppose it is given to you minus 12a power 3b plus 18a square b square minus 24ab square divide by minus 6ab. Then write down firstly minus 12a power 3b plus 18a square b square minus 24ab square divide by minus 6ab. Do separate now. Minus 12a cube b divide by minus 6ab plus sign plus 18a square b square divide by minus 6ab. This sign is minus 24ab square divide by minus 6ab. Now see, minus 12 minus minus cancel out, 6 2s are 12, a power 3 here 1, it means 3 minus 1, b to b cancel out, or you can write down this also, b power 1 minus 1, plus minus minus, 6 3s are 18, a power 2 here 1, 2 minus 1, b power 2 minus 1, minus minus plus 6 4s are 24, a power cancel out, b power 2 minus 1, 2 a power 3 minus 1, 2 b power 0, or any power 0 is equal to 1, minus 3 a power 1 b power 1 plus 4b. We can say b power 1. It means it become 2a square minus 3ab plus 4b. So this is our answer. All the terms are unlike term. So this is our answer. Now see the next example. Yes, consider your plus minus sign properly and see the power also. One example suppose given to you, 9x square y square plus 3x square y minus 6xy square by 3xy. Do division this. Divide this, then write down minus 9x square y square plus 3x square y minus 6xy square. Firstly divide by 3xy. Now do separate 9x square y square upon 3xy plus 3x square y upon 3xy minus 6xy square upon 3xy. Now solve it. 3 3s are 9. X power 2 here 1, it means x power 2 minus 1. Y power 2 minus 1. 3 1s are 3. X power 2 minus 1. Y to y cancel out. Minus 3 2s are 6. X to x cancel. Y power 2 minus 1. And your answer is 3x power 1 y power 1 plus x minus 2y. All the terms are unlike term, So this is our answer. More examples related to division, we want to solve them. See here in this 6a square b square minus 3abc plus 9abd by minus 1 by 3ab. Okay, see here. Firstly, same type of writing. 6a square b square minus 3abc plus 9abd divide by 1 by 3ab. Do separate each term. 6a square b square divide by 1 by 3ab. Minus sign 3abc divide by 1 by 3ab plus 9abd divide by 1 by 3ab. Now see how to solve it properly. This 1 by 3, if you solve, then this 3 become, or you write down 6a square b square upon ab divide by 3 minus 3abc divide by ab upon 3 plus 9abd divide by ab upon 3. So this 3 become here in multiplication. 3 into 6 a square b square divided by ab, 3 into 3 abc divided by ab plus 3 into 9 abd divided by ab. Now solve it. 3 6 are 18, a power 2 here 1, 2 minus 1, b power 2 minus 1. 3 3 are 9, a to a cancel, b to b cancel, c. 9 3 are 27, a to a cancel, b to b cancel, then remaining d. Then your answer is 18ab minus 9c plus 27d. This type we will solve our problem. Okay student, do these type of thing properly. Always see, remember this thing. Then whenever you write down like this 2ab divided by 1 upon 5ab, it means you can write down 2ab upon ab divided by 5, or you can write down 2ab into 5 upon ab, or you can write down directly 5 into 2ab upon ab. So this thing solve properly. Practice it, how to solve it properly. Okay, now one more question if you want to see here. Minus 7 x power 7 y power 3 divide by x power 7 minus 56 x y power 5 z power 2 divide by minus 8x y square z square. Find the value of it. Now in this x power 7 to x power 7 cancels, then it become minus 7 y power 3. Minus minus plus 8 sevens are 56. X to x cancel, z square to z square cancel, it means y power 5 minus 2 minus 7 y power 3 plus 7 y power 3, both values same, then it means it is equal to 0. So your 5th D exercise now complete. Your homework, do 5th D exercise in your fair notebook with example. Thank you.